For those of you that are farming Spur Protocol, I have a very good news for you. So welcome everyone to Digitex. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do it to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel. So now, if you are farming Spur Protocol, I want to congratulate you once again. So the Spur Protocol point you are actually farming will be converted to Sun token from Sun blockchain. So this also solidly clarify or solidify the claim that the Spur Protocol is actually a utility token, which has a very great potential. So now, if you look at the announcement that was given by Spur Protocol team, as you can see from here, it actually says that the balance you have in your Spur Protocol app is Spur Protocol points, which will be converted to Sun blockchain. So now Sun blockchain is a new blockchain that will actually be launched the third quarter of this year. When you're talking about the third quarter, from July, August, September, so those 3 months actually falls within the third quarter. So this blockchain will actually be launched around that time, the third quarter of this year, and that is when you'll be able to actually claim your tokens. You get the point. So anything you actually get from your Spur Protocol will be converted into the token we are talking about. So I will advise you put more effort in farming the Spur Protocol points, because the more points you have, the more chance of token you're actually going to get. Let's say, for instance, all the points you are getting now, if you remove like 3 zeros from it, what do you think will remain? So it's going to happen like that. I mean something like that. And there's something I want you to know, that Spur Protocol, they've actually been engaging in rigorous removing of bots from their platform. If you check the leaders board, there are a lot of accounts that have been removed from the leaders board, and they've actually clearly stated that they will only reward the true farmer, those who actually truly farm this token. So I will advise you put more effort into getting more points, complete your tasks, do all the necessary things you are supposed to do. Joy is coming. And for those of you that participated in Zima chain, the coin actually listed around $9 today. So there's still hope in the airdrop. So drop your thoughts in the comment section of this video. And more importantly, if you are here to join my Telegram channel, you are missing a lot. You are missing a lot. So check the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram channel. And make sure you also follow me on X. The link in the description and comment section of this video. So let's roll together and make this money together. See you at the top.